Hi everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel. In this tutorial video, we're gonna look at how you can change the region or country of your Spotify account. So you need to follow the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video to change the region of your Spotify account. But before that, if you are new to this channel, do subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications to never miss any upcoming videos from us. Firstly, go ahead and open up Spotify and then log into your account. Then after you log in, what you need to do is click on your profile, then head over to account. You cannot change the country of your Spotify account if you are on a free plan. I'm using a free plan right now, so if you go to edit profile, I am not able to change the country or region of my account. But what you can do is go to account overview, and then if you scroll down, you can click on join premium and then click on change country. From here you can change the country you want to change to. After you do that, if you want to change the plan, you can see the information has been changed to the region that I've selected. It's now showing me Canadian dollars. You can pick any of these accounts. For now, let's select this one. Then after you're done, you can choose your credit card or debit card to pay, or if you have, you can also choose PayPal to pay. Then after you're done, you will have successfully changed your country or region. So that's how you can change the country or region of your Spotify account. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. If you did, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we will be soon back with similar videos like this. Thank you for watching.